The root causes of bacteria found in clean rooms can be multifaceted. Here's a breakdown of the most common sources and contributing factors. 1. Personnel. Shedding from skin and hair. Humans constantly shed skin particles and hair, which can carry bacteria. This is the primary source of contamination in most clean rooms. Respiratory droplets. Coughing, sneezing, and even talking can release bacteria-laden droplets into the air. Poor gowning practices. Incorrect donning or doffing of cleanroom garments can introduce contaminants. Tears or damage to garments can also compromise their barrier function. Non-compliance with procedures, failure to adhere to cleanroom protocols, such as proper hand washing or restricted movements, can increase contamination risks. Traffic flow, excessive or uncontrolled movement of personnel increases the potential for introducing and spreading contamination. 2. Equipment and materials. Inadequately cleaned items, equipment, tools, and materials brought into the cleanroom that haven't been properly cleaned and sterilized can harbor bacteria. Packaging contamination. Contaminated packaging of materials can introduce bacteria upon entry. Poor material transfer procedures. Incorrect methods for transferring materials into the cleanroom can lead to contamination. Equipment design. Equipment with hard-to-reach areas, dead legs, or rough surfaces can be difficult to clean and may harbor bacteria. Maintenance activities. Maintenance work can introduce contamination if not performed under strict cleanroom conditions. 3. Air handling system. Insufficient filtration, inadequate HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air. Filtration can allow bacteria-carrying particles to enter the cleanroom. Poor airflow design, improper airflow patterns can create stagnant areas where contaminants can accumulate. Inadequate air change rates. Insufficient air changes per hour may not effectively dilute and remove airborne contaminants. Leaks in the system, breaches or leaks in the ductwork or filter housings can allow unfiltered air to enter. Improper maintenance, lack of regular filter changes, and system maintenance can reduce the effectiveness of the air handling system. 4. Cleaning and disinfection practices. Insufficient cleaning frequency. Infrequent cleaning allows bacteria to accumulate on surfaces. Inadequate cleaning procedures. Using incorrect cleaning agents, methods, or equipment can result in ineffective removal of bacteria. Improper disinfection, failure to use appropriate disinfectants, or applying them incorrectly may not effectively kill bacteria. Resistance to disinfectants. Some bacteria can develop resistance to certain disinfectants, making them harder to eradicate. Poor cleaning of hard-to-reach areas, overlooking corners, crevices, and under equipment during cleaning can leave behind bacterial contamination. 5. Facility design and maintenance. Poorly designed layout, a layout that doesn't facilitate unidirectional flow of personnel and materials, can increase the risk of cross-contamination. Cracks and crevices. Damage to walls, floors, and ceilings can create areas where bacteria can accumulate and are difficult to clean. Inadequate sealing. Poorly sealed doors, windows, and penetrations can allow unfiltered air and contaminants to enter. Water intrusion. Leaks or excessive moisture can promote bacterial growth. Construction or renovation activities. These activities can generate significant amounts of particulate and microbial contamination if not properly controlled. 6. Water systems. Contaminated water sources. Water used for cleaning or in processes can be a source of bacterial contamination if not properly treated and monitored. Biofilm formation. Bacteria can form biofilms within water systems, making them resistant to disinfection and a continuous source of contamination. Stagnant water. Allowing water to stagnate in pipes or equipment can promote microbial growth. Identifying the specific root causes of bacterial contamination in a cleanroom requires thorough investigation, including environmental monitoring, trend analysis, and potentially root cause analysis techniques. Addressing these root causes through improved procedures, training, maintenance, and design is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the cleanroom environment.